listen. Dad, think just because you made us, now you can start bossing us around? Ha! Well, let us tell you something. Do you have powers like us? I don't think so.
Can you beat us in a fight?
As if. So why would we ever listen to a powerless loser like you? So how about we just do us all a favor and Ooh, sounds like trouble.
Sounds like some action to me.
Friend of yours?
Hope you're having fun, girls. It'll only last so long. You don't know it yet. But I've already won. May not seem like it now, but not too long the people of Vile Town are going to be cheering their new ruler, Oppressor Plutonium. Right beside him will be his new superweapons, the Powerpunk girls.
Ooh, the Powerpunk girls. That's a cute name. Glad I thought of it.
That's some dream. Coming from a dead man.
Yeah, you make it sound like we're gonna be working for you or something. Fat chance that's gonna happen, Oppressor. And besides, from the sounds of it, everyone outside wants you dead. Looks like you're all alone. But don't worry, we'll make sure to destroy them too. Right after we start with the new ruler of Vile